BBC Music Introducing.
Welcome to the show. My name is Jess Izzat. This is BBC Music Introducing in London, and here we support the best new music from the capital. If you are making it at home, we'd like to hear it. bbc.co.uk/introducing is where to go. Let's get straight into this one. It's from Afrocomb. This is called Faith.
There's a trend in this world where we take somebody's idea or craft or concept and we change it and we rename it and we adjust it to what we deem is more correct. Hence, a Rasta becomes a Rastafarian, and the Rastafari liberty becomes Rastafarianism. Says who? Rastas don't deal with ism and schism.
Tiptoe through the shadow of my past, break through the boundaries of my heart. Faded, faded.
That's what Knight said. My art's an outlet. That's what I said. Souls combined in the fountain and a diamond. So precise with hip-hop rhyming, don't define us. All these genres saying something that will touch your mind, touch your soul. It may be rap, it may be jazz. Drop a bomb and make rock and roll. Blow, keep on up. Might turn the star still from the rolls. For the working class are not Monaco. Come and roll, no filler lines. Shine together, shine through the cold nights and the grimy weather. We shine together, shine through the t-shirts with the shiny letters. We shine together, shine. Now our teeth hurts cause we grind together. Beat first, inspire seconds. Of us, we reproducing. New year, no resolution. Music for the revolution. New sense to their control. Mine's Erica, not Monroe. Man, I respect the fathers. Fella with best in garments.
A time of deep political unrest, injustice, protests around the world happening in support of Black Lives Matter. It's probably not more of an appropriate song that we could have started with tonight on the show. That there's a North London duo, goes by the name of Afrocomb, made up of Kiara, Naomi and Denzel Nonso. Originally friends turned soulmates, making beautiful music like that. And I mean, we actually played that a couple of weeks ago on the show. I introduced Robert Elms to it on his show, his daytime show during the week, and lots of people falling in love with that. So we are wanting to hear much, much more. They've got social commentary in there mixed with soulful artistry. Afrocomb, remember that name. So many people getting in touch when we asked which was their favourite track of the show. This was, I think, 3 weeks ago or so. We had someone called Rangers Man, Shan, Jess, loads of people on Instagram commenting on the post, so we thought it only right to spin it once again. Welcome to the show once again. My name is Jess Izzat. We are here every single Saturday night, 8 till 10 p.m, with the best new music from the capital. The website, bbc.co.uk/introducing, is how each and every single one of these artists has got their music to us. And today, well, we thought it only right and appropriate to support the Black voices which come through our show. We get sent so much music, and there's so much deep-rooted culture in the Black community, and I feel like in solidarity the least we could do is support the music, a whole lineup of Black voices sounding just incredibly beautiful. So I hope that you enjoy, and I hope that you listen. It makes you think. This next one hit the uploader very, very recently, and well, I'll let the music do the talking. This one, it comes from Bundy.
It's just different.
Have a listen to what he has to say. At BBC Intro London is where to find us on Twitter and on Instagram. If you did want to get in touch, let us know how you're feeling. Let us know your thoughts. It's Bundy Perspective on BBC Music, introducing in London.
A murder, no surprise, another icy freak. I see this weekly, so this is nothing new to me. I can't comprehend why that they're always killing. They say they hate police when really they're their own villain. Let me guess, a or a I bet he sold drugs or he's actively in music. These blacks think that it's the only way to make it out. This was a nice area before they came about. Let me catch a black lad wearing a hoodie. He's guilty of a crime, I'm stopping him, why would he? Be wearing his hood up if he had nothing to hide. I've been in the Met for years, I can clearly see the signs. They all carry and they're getting even younger. I'll stop and search them all as long as they have some colour. I'm not racist, just aware of what's happening, that most violent crimes committed by those with black skin. Perspective, let's put things in perspective. There's many sides to the truth, so don't forget this. You look at things differently and so do I. Used to say my views are wrong and yours is right. Perspective, let's put things in perspective. There's many sides to the truth, so don't forget this. You look at things differently and so do I. Used to say my views are wrong and yours is right. This was a lovely area, now I'm scared at night. I see a group of black boys, make sure I don't lock eyes, or I cross the road to make me feel more safe. I've got 999 on speed dial just in case. Anything can happen, keeping safe's my prevention. I'm sure a lot of black lads, they like to carry weapons. How I know? Well, I saw it on the telly. A black boy, he got recently and it was scary. A mile away, yeah, that's way too close to where I live. Not being funny, but these parents need to watch their kids. They seem angry at the world and filled with so much hate. You don't see white men this alarming rate. It's like they wasn't raised, don't know how to behave. I say throw away the key and lock away the cage. I know it's harsh, but I feel like it's the only option. These black boys are going crazy, no one cares to stop them. Perspective, let's put things in perspective. There's many sides to the truth, so don't forget this. You look at things differently and so do I. Used to say my views are wrong and yours is right. Perspective, let's put things in perspective. There's many sides to the truth, so don't forget this. You look at things differently and so do I. Used to say my views are wrong and yours is right. Me and my friends walk together when we're going home. Safety's our main priority when we're on these roads. We're not committing crime, neither looking for some trouble. So when people judge us negatively, I'm puzzled. Let me guess, the social stigma of us being black. We must be violent and involved in distributing. It's far from the facts, cause we're actually educated. We've never been arrested nor seen inside a station. Even if we had, what difference would that really make? Malcolm X used to hustle and that man was great. You can't judge by my attire or how I look. You need to stop it with your ignorance and read a book. So what, I walk with my hoodie to cover my face. So now that makes me a criminal, give it a break. I see plenty bike riders with a mask on. Oh no, they're white, so I guess they're doing nothing wrong. Did you ever think that maybe that is cold? Which is why I put my hood on whenever I'm walking road. In England we only get like 4 days of summer. We're coming from tropical weathers, those of us of colour. And we all don't carry weapons, but my friends that do have gone through trauma, both mentally and physical. I'm not condoning it, but yet I fully understand. What would you do if you almost died from being... They don't carry to commit crime or to harm others, but they'll be damned if they're buried by their own mothers. Speaking on drugs, you're the biggest culprits. From selling it to consuming it, you're highly involved in the drug trade, but you blame it on us blacks. You can keep promoting lies, but it doesn't dismiss facts. The white people are the biggest sellers. Fuck a kilo, you're moving tons, it will make Scarface jealous. That's not the picture that the media create. It's cool though, we all know they're trying to save face. Generalizing, but I doubt that it will ever stop. It pisses me off when I see these racists doing jobs. Equality's a myth and this we all see. You cannot pull the wool over my eyes to try and blind me. You can stay there with your fake love and your real hate. I may close my eyes to it, but believe that I'm awake. Perspective, let's put things in perspective. There's many sides to the truth, so don't forget this. You look at things differently and so do I. Used to say my views are wrong and yours is right. Perspective, let's put things in perspective. There's many sides to the truth, so don't forget this. You look at things differently and so do I. Who's to say my views are wrong and yours is right?
East London, Leytonstone based artist that there's Bundy. The track is called Perspective on BBC Music, introducing in London, really making us think and starting things off in that tone tonight on the show. But of course, we are celebrating the voices that have come to our show from black artists that we have loved. And of course, Celeste is an artist who we have been championing for a long time now. A couple of years ago, she got her music to us. We've been playing it ever since. She's got supported on BBC Radio 1, 1 Extra as well, across all of the national stations. She played for us at South by Southwest, Glastonbury Festival last year, and at the Brits, she was the Rising Star Award winner. This is the follow-up afterwards. Celeste, I Can See the Change on BBC Music, introducing in London.
I can see the change. Come what may, I won't regret the day. I can see the change. Feel the pace of everything. Who am I, teary-eyed? Who are you in your life? Are you dumb enough to pass the time? Oversold and out of lies. No, it's not for me anymore. No, it's not for me anymore. No, it's not.
She's just got such an incredibly moving vocal and well, we are noticing on the show, of course, a more polished sound coming from that, slightly ever so, not losing that vocal there, because Phineas, otherwise known as Billie Eilish's brother, was on production duties for that. We're very excited for more new music to come from Celeste. There's I Can See the Change on BBC Music, introducing in London. Got to say hello to Ollie, who's got in touch on Instagram. He says thank you very much for BBC Introducing in London, introducing us to Afrocomb. Pleased that they got another spin on the show. Well, we're hoping that there'll be a follow-up soon to that, because we are loving the tunes as well. Hello to Sammy as well, listening from the boat. I hope you're enjoying the tunes. This next part is where we get to know an artist a little bit better, and Rago Zulu Rebel has been getting music to us for a little while now. We thought it only right to get him on as a featured artist to hear his story. This is Rago Zulu Rebel, our featured artist this week.
Hi, my name is Rago Zulu Rebel. I am a hip-hop artist coming straight out of London, Newham specifically, but the whole of London is my home. You've got a splash of 140 BPM that would make it grime. You've got some roots and culture and reggae, a kind of amalgamation of all things, and then served up like Sunday dinner. One of the first purchases I ever made of music was Jungle Hit Volume 1, and that kind of cemented a lot of the music. If you listen to my music, you'll hear a lot of the influence, whether the samples, like I said, a lot of the reggae culture, the mixture of cultures, British dance music, lyricism. Jungle kind of was a big influence on me in my early days. The first concert I ever attended was Frankie Beverly and Maze. They kind of put the idea of a show into my head. Those guys really put in a show. Frankie Beverly and Maze, Earth, Wind and Fire. It let me know you can't just turn up and say 2 lyrics on a mic. You've got to put on a show. So big up Frankie Beverly and Maze. My mum decided it was time. She's kind of my biggest music influence. She got a big vinyl collection, which I was never allowed to touch. And she decided one day, you know that song that you always sing? We're going to their concert. I think it was in the Royal Albert Hall, and it was an experience. It kind of changed my perspective on music or life. When I was about 9, I joined the youth theatre in Stratford, and I put on a lot of plays, and I was doing a lot of performing, and I had lyrics, but you always had to rap someone else's lyrics in line with a story. When I was about 14, I was given the opportunity in a play called Ask the Mayor, directed by John Z. D and DJ Excalibur, to actually rap my own words, and after that, it was a rap. Once I got on stage with a mic, said what I had to say from my heart to the audience, and they responded. I've never looked back, and this is what I've been doing ever since. My first proper LP came out, The Struggle, back in 2005, and my first album came out 2007, Jam Messenger. From then, I've released about 5 albums, which are all online. You can stream those. There's a few EPs, about 10 of them, maybe more, and there's about 25 plus mixtapes. Part of my forward-going project for next year is a collaboration. I've got my YouTube channel, and it's just all the collaborations I've done, sticking them in one place. Every Sunday, since the beginning of the pandemic, we've done the Rago TV. Something different every Sunday from 5 o'clock. It's called Sunday Dinner Sessions. We've had a global marathon. We had a Soul Sister Sunday so far. We had a 420 marathon, because the first one was on 420. We had some DJs come on and play different things. So every Sunday, if you log on to either my Facebook, the Rago Zulu Nation, you'll catch something every Sunday at 5 o'clock. And as for new releases, we have a new release called No Sleep, produced by Nocturnal, comes out on the 10th of this month. Living on a prayer. A lot of people can probably relate in this time because things are uncertain. It's just about holding the faith. And not even just the faith in some imaginary something, but holding the faith in yourself that you'll make it through. You're deserving. Don't worry. Keep your head up. Stay focused. Work on solutions. Don't just sit there and pick your nose, but work on some solutions and it will all pan out. If you've got bills and you're stressed out and you're pulling out your hair, you're living on a prayer, but we'll get through. You can find me anywhere online, all under Rago, R-A-G-G-O, Zulu, Z-U-L-U, Rebel, R-E-B-E-L. That's Rago Zulu Rebel. Stick that in, everything should pop up. Big shout out, many thanks, much applause. The BBC Introducing for welcoming me, making me feel at home, making me comfortable. Before I go, we're going to drop my tune, Living on a Prayer. Big up to all the listeners out there. Pump, pump.
In the air, put it in the air. If you got bills and you're living on a prayer, put it in the air, put it in the air. If you're stressed out and you're living on a prayer, here we go, here we go. Here we go for the clean heart folk and all that they drank grow. Here we go for all those that know. Clean heart people and the dirty drank crow. Let me slide on this beat like I was Queen Latifah. Or something for the Queens, black, white, and Latina. Something for the G's to ride in the Beamer. Drive by banging like a 9mm. Boys in the hood turn to boys to men. Got us fighting over blocks like it's oxygen. Left us here to rock cause it's not for them. When the right cops come we throw rocks at them. Keep cool, take a break or an interlude. Name's Rago Zulu, let me introduce. Sorry man, doing the But I hear that I'm the truth, here to Timbuktu. Before you ever diss, woo, think it through. Better take a little pissy pants, skip to the loo. My darling, my mama never born a nincompoop. When I drop jewels, don't ever get it misconstrued. Just put it in the air. Put your hands in the air. If you got bills and you're living on a prayer, let me see your hands in the air. Oh yeah, put your hands in the air. Put your hands in the air. If you're stressed out and you're living on a prayer, let me see your hands in the air. Cause here we go, here we go, here we go. For all those that know, here we go, here we go, here we go. For the clean heart folk and no dirty jang crow. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. For the clean heart people in the dirty jang crow. And for those that know, let the raw Rizzler roll your windows low, so everyone that's in the hood can hear the system blow. It don't even matter if the feds patrol, because I step on a roach like pest control. No work could ever test, judge, I bless my soul. Bad mind prescribe yourself a paracetamol. No work could ever test, judge, bless my soul. Bad mind prescribe yourself a paracetamol. And put your hands in the air. Put your hands in the air. If you got bills and you're living on a prayer, let me see your hands in the air. Put your
Sending that one out to anyone who needs to hear it today.
Put your hands in the air.
Rago Zulu Rebel.
Stressed out and you're living on a prayer, let me see your hands in the air. Here we go, for all those that know. For the clean heart folk and no dirty jang crow. Here we go, here we go, here we go. For the clean heart people and the dirty jang crow. Here we go, yo. For all those that know, yo.
Rago Zulu Rebel, our featured artist this week, living on a prayer on BBC Music, introducing in London. Straight into this next one now, new music from Olivia Dean. Have a listen to this.
I wanna fall into arms like lovers do. I'm missing my sweet something. I wanna talk with you, but this phone won't do. 'Cause I need you here 100. Baby, come on, I got it bad for you. I'm no good alone, 3 in the afternoon. Baby, I need more than a word from you. Can't stop singing your song. It always plays when you're gone. I made you a coffee, I don't know why. Thought I heard the doorbell a couple times. Running on restless, how silly I. Somehow our room don't feel the same. Without your love, it's just a space, and every hour's overturned. Baby, come on, I got it bad for you. I'm no good alone, 3 in the afternoon. 'Cause baby, I need more than a word from you. Can't stop singing your song. It always plays when you're gone. Hey, how's your
was really quite mesmerizing. She can also count Maverick Sabre and Charlie Perry on that as well as part of the writing credits. Olivia Dean, brand new music from her, sounding so beautiful. That there is Baby Come Home. Alright then, seeing as we are doing a tribute to the black voices coming through our show, it would be so very rude not to play you a bit of Obong Jaya.
Got some children, keep your head up. Press your weight against the winds that try to throw you. This place is ugly, don't let it rob you of your face, of your grace, and of your body. It's your world now. Can you feel it? It's your world now. Can you? When the stars we dance together on our streets, it's all together. In this fire we fight together. No retreat and no surrender. When the stars we dance together on our streets, it's all together. In this fire we fight together. No retreat and no surrender. Children, side by side, flood the streets in defiance. We're sick and tired. Show your power, super power. Let the sweat from your spines fall like rain and drench the world beneath you. Show your power, super power. Wash the wall from your breath. Now it's time for action. In this dance we dance together on our streets. It's all together. In this fire we fight together. No retreat and no surrender. Streets is all together. In this fire we fight together. No retreat and no surrender. Keep on dancing. It's your weapon. They can't stop us. God's own children. God's own children. Keep on dancing. It's your weapon. They can't stop us. God's own children, God's own children. Keep on moving. It's your weapon. They can't stop us. God's own children, God's own.
Hey, how you doing? This is Rachel Chinariri and you're listening to Jess Izzat on BBC Introducing London.
You like a challenge, it's hit and miss. But then you thought you'd tell me this. Who tried to hurt you? Contradict. The biggest weapon is an arrow with a flick. I'm pushing past my adrenaline. Words are rolling off my tongue. Yeah, they're bitter to the core. Now it's getting loud, slow it down. Not time for an encore. But now you're saying I'm pushing past my adrenaline. I'm something more than just feminine. I'll give you time like a gentleman. You made me drop for my Benjamins, yeah. Maybe are lovers of 84. Lovers in 84. 'Cause love was younger than before. In 1984. Maybe you make me don't want it anymore, and you make me run down, down, down till I made it to the door. We are lovers of 84. Lovers in 84.
The boys that we know and love on the show, Rachel Chinariri.
Stronger than before.
She's got an emotional number called So My Darling. I think I have a cry to that. A good cry every Sunday to that. But I thought I'd play you an uplifting one. Rachel Chinariri, Adrenaline on BBC Music, introducing in London.
BBC Radio London.
As our lives are changing week to week,
I want to be able to help. I just want out of this awful situation.
returning to some familiar
Due
ways,
to start on Monday, and we've definitely seen that gardening has been one of the things.
as we
that-
discover new ways to work and play,
Outside is the best place to be, and you do not need
travel and communicate,
And putting everything online and creating PowerPoints and YouTube videos.
we'll all be thinking the same thing. What happens next? BBC Radio London for updates and information, who's making a difference where you live, and a place to talk.
BBC Radio London.
And here on BBC Music, introducing in London, tonight we are supporting Black Lives Matter because they do, and each and every single person should be shouting it from the rooftops. If you're not, you should ask yourself why. Ego LMA was our featured artist last week. This is her brand new track, Give a Little.
Through a lock of my head in the ocean to give an offering. Signed a deal I settled for, insecure. Now I'm feeling the sting. Where we go, we don't know. Just trying to stay on our path. I've been here before, yet still end up on my arms. But something's got to give a little, give a little. I know, yeah, something's got to give a little, give a little. I'm sure. Somebody told me that the prize is in heaven. Oh, what about living today? Do I have to die for some peace or a little bit of extra empathy? Joni says you don't know what you got till it goes away. Where we go, we don't know. Just trying to stay afloat. I've been here before. Should know better, but I don't. But something's got to give a little.
And of course, the place to go if you have missed anything is BBC Sounds. Like I mentioned, she was our featured artist just last week. That is available for you. You search Introducing in London. The last few shows will come up and you'll be able to hear her story. Brand new music from Ego LMA, got a real jazzy feel when you see her live. Each band member has a moment, and I remember seeing her at the South Bank Centre. She honestly blew everybody away, and by everybody I mean the whole room was completely packed way before she'd even come out or anything. And it's one of those free sessions, free gigs that we do, and everyone was just so blown away by the buzz. So very exciting times for Ego LMA. Someone else who we are super excited about, and Gary Crowley actually spun his follow-up track to this at the end of his show. This is Sam Dottier, his debut. It's called Uriah's Cry.
Kiss me while the wolves are watching. Kiss me hard before you go. Kiss me slow, don't you rush this. They'll come when the snow sticks, I know. Lay me by the river, I'll go to bathe in the glory and fix my sins. And I know the times will change, so we can go back to where we began. Give me hope. Give me hope. Give me hope. Give me hope.
"22 years old, sounding as accomplished as that with his debut track. That there is Sam Dottier. The track is called Uriah's Cry. And of course, the follow-up called Repeat, another beautiful, beautiful track, which we have spun on the show. Played it for Robert Elms yesterday, and Gary Crowley also playing it just before this show. Sounding so, so good. So Arlo Parks is an artist that we know and love, and for the BME sessions, she recorded a version of her track Black Dog. Have a listen.
I'd lick the grief right off your lips. You do your eyes like Robert Smith. Sometimes it seems like you won't survive this.
get you out your room. Just take your medicine and eat some food. I would do anything to get you out your room. It's so cruel what your mind can do for no reason. Yeah, for no reason, yeah. I'd take a jump off the fire escape. To make the black dog go away. Alice, I know that you are trying. But that's what makes it terrifying. Let's go to the corner store and buy some fruit. I would do anything to get you out your room. Just take your medicine and eat some food. I would do anything to get you out your room. It's so cruel what your mind can do for no reason. Yeah, for no reason. Yeah, it's so cruel what your mind can do for no reason. Yeah, for no reason.
So Arlo Parks was meant to be heading out to Texas for South by Southwest Festival. Along with her management Beatnik, along with her band. Newly signed to Transgressive Records. That was just after she performed for us at the Lexington last year. Arlo Parks. The track is called Black Dog, only just dropped. That there is a live session for the BME sessions. What an incredible voice. Arlo Parks, of course, everyone now knowing that name, but we supported her on the show when she was getting her bedroom demos, and here she is today. bbc.co.uk/introducing once again is where to go. If you or someone you know is making great new music, has something to say, then, well, we want to hear it. Green Tea Peng now, someone else who has been very vocal during these Black Lives Matter movement. It's Ghost Town.
Earbuds. Fabric. Sing Sing family. London bridges falling down on my mates walking round with frowns, can't seem to make no sense of all this rain. With your rules and regulations, why you're so stiff? I don't want nothing that seems too different. Stop between your lines and all your lies, but you can't take my city from me. 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 Try numbing me with them frequencies as we all sit, get lean, distracted by these screens. I agree, ignorance is bliss, yeah, it's beautiful as long as we in line and acting suitable. This life shit, it's achievable, cause all that matters what you look like. No need to think twice, no more. Anything you need, can buy it from a store. $9.99 for a course, but you can't take my city from me. Now you can take my city from me. Now you can take my city from me. Now you can take my city from me. Single day, trying to take the vibe of my city away. Heavy on my mind every single day, trying to take the vibe of my city away. Heavy on my mind every single day, trying to take the vibe of my city away. Heavy on my mind every single day, but please don't take my city from me.
Nothing short of an anthem for our times. Like I mentioned, she has been very vocal throughout this, and quite rightly so.
Now you can take my city from
Green T-Peng, the track is called Ghost Town.
Now you can take my city from me.
And here on the show this evening, we are showing support for the Black Lives Matter movement. Not just a moment. We really feel that the energy is different this time, and we're just praying for that, I guess. Lava LaRue, friends of Green T-Peng, joins us on the show just around the corner. A couple more though before the 9 o'clock news. This one's from Cascade, T-Pain and Afro B. The track is called Condo.
Body so for me that I wanna feel me. She want to dance it Monday to Sunday. I be waiting and waiting all my life. Yeah, I don't mind, I'ma wait for you all night. Come to my condo. Pronto. Come to my condo. I know you really, really want to. Come to my condo. Pronto. Come to my condo. I know you really, really want to. Come to my condo. She wants something, something. I want something, something. Early morning, feel it coming. Body so for me that I wanna feel me. Maybe we tango. I shady my cuckoo. I be waiting and waiting all my life. Yeah, I don't mind, I'ma wait for you all night. Come to my condo. Hey, pronto. Come to my condo. I know you really, really want to. Come to my condo. Hey, pronto. Come to my condo. I know you really, really want to. Come to my condo. Hey. Oh. Hey. Hey. I can put you in a condo. Baby, just ask if you want more. Oh, 230 on the dance, so I don't go slow. Girl, you better ask if you don't know. Oh, no, you really, really, really want to. Pull up on the goat, baby, come through. Oh, let me show you some new. Girl, I wanna be the one that you run to, so I gotta make sure that you come through. Hurry up and come to my condo. Gonna put your feet up if you want to. Baby, come to my condo. Oh, hey. Pronto, hey. Come to my condo. I know you really, really want to. Come to my condo. Hey. 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 Pronto. Come to my condo. Pronto. You want to. Pronto. Come to my condo.
Cascade, producer, DJ and a broadcaster from Southeast London, remixing the likes of legendary UK grime artist Wiley, from Wiley to Izzy Bizu, novelist, Afrobeats hitmaker, Afro B, and just so many more. That one there teaming up with T-Pain and Afro B. That track is called Condo, sounding so good. One more before the latest news. Let's get into this. It's Josh Osho, Even in War.
These are the streets where mothers cry, drown in the rain of sons that die. This is the town we've seen burn, yet we light the flames for hell's return. This is a place that we call home, yet this is the place I feel alone. Behind the mystery, beyond the pain, beneath the history, it's still remain. Even in war, the birds sing, the waves kiss the shore, trees dance in the wind. 'Cause even in war, the birds sing. The sun takes the stage, new light field is in. These are the wars we fight for peace, a puzzle we've made so incomplete. This is the world that we create, and as we compose we desolate. This is the man I choose to be. Still I deny the soul in me. Behind the mystery, beyond the pain, beneath the history, it's still remain. Even in war, the birds sing, the waves kiss the shore, trees dance in the wind. 'Cause even in war, the birds sing. The sun takes the stage, new light field is in. 'Cause even in war, the birds sing. The waves kiss the shore, trees dance in the wind.
His name is Josh Osho. Shared one of his tracks on the Robert Elm show yesterday. Robert, very excited to pronounce his name. It is quite fun to say. Josh Osho on BBC Music, introducing in London. That one there is called Even in War. And right about now, we are taking part in a movement, probably one of the biggest in our lifetimes in history, to change the way people feel about, just changing and supporting and just giving voices to platforms, to black voices. And here on the show, we are celebrating all of the amazing black musicians that have come through. And we will continue to keep supporting these voices. So still to come, just around the corner, we are amplifying these black voices through our show in light of the recent events. Lava LaRue, artist and founder of the 9/8 Collective, talks to us about the protests and what it means to be a young music maker with black British heritage in this current climate. And we jump into the second half of BBC Music Introducing in London just after the latest news.
On digital radio, 94.9 FM and on BBC Sounds.
This is London.
This is BBC Radio London.
BBC News at 9 o'clock. I'm Catherine White. Tens of thousands of people have joined anti-racism demonstrations across the UK, despite government appeals for them to stay at home because of coronavirus. Many wore face coverings and gloves. The Black Lives Matter protests took place in cities including London, Manchester, Cardiff, Leicester and Sheffield. They were largely peaceful, but in London this evening, some demonstrators clashed with police in Westminster. Our correspondent Tom Simons was there.
This protest of several thousand people has settled at the end of Downing Street. There is considerable anger at the police, and when heavy rain and thunder began, some objects and a firework were thrown at a line of officers. Then a mounted unit moved quickly down Whitehall, and it appears a rider became separated from a horse, which bolted through the crowd. But police have now put in cordons to control the movement of protesters, and the situation is calmer.
Large protests against the killing of George Floyd in police custody in the United States are taking place in Chicago and Washington. Organisers are calling on President Trump to unite, not divide the country. Janelle Bird-Chichester heads up the Thurgood Marshall Institute, which campaigns for racial justice. She says these protests may achieve real change because they've become universal.
I am encouraged to see the recognition worldwide on the part of so many white people who are saying enough is enough. Now, we hear you and we are responding because this affects us all. It is about having a moral compass for the human race. And if we want to protect democracy around the globe, we have got to deal with this problem of racism.
2 police officers in New York State have been charged with assault after a video showed them shoving a 75-year-old protester. The man fell and injured his head at a rally for George Floyd. The 2 officers have denied the charges. More schools have shelved plans to reopen on Monday, including some in the northwest. Official figures have suggested that the infection rate, or R number, in the region is above 1, which means the virus will spread rapidly. Members of OPEC and other leading oil exporting countries, including Russia, have agreed to extend cuts in production for another month. The first big race of the horse racing flat season, the 2,000 Guineas at Newmarket, has been won by Kameko, trained by Andrew Balding. The favourite, Pinatubo, finished third. The event took place without spectators. Kameko was ridden to victory by the champion jockey Oisin Murphy.
I'm thrilled, absolutely thrilled. In those colours for Andrew Balding, who I started my career with, you couldn't make it up, really. It obviously hasn't sunk in, and there isn't the same atmosphere after the race. In fact, there's no atmosphere, but it means just as much to me.
And the Queen has praised people who volunteer in their communities. BBC News, it's 9
BBC Music Introducing.
All right, then, we're jumping into the second half of the show now. This is BBC Music Introducing in London, and we are supporting the best new music from the capital. This one from Oscar, #World Peace, is featuring Rags Original and Benji. This is...
Neighbours vexed 'cause the noise in the room, and it goes deep waters if you really wanna swim. Baby girl, jump in, you know this ship don't sink, and it goes It's that vintage dark skin. Tell me, did you miss him? If so, baby, where you been? Pour me more, fill it up to the brim. pulling up and I curbed all my rims. Still resistant, gifted. If you wanna witness, I've got something in the wings. Crown me now, cause you're looking at a king. Hotel spa, man, I'm going for a swim. But you never see me skinny dipping. Neighbours vexed cause the noise in the room.
And it goes
Deep waters if you really wanna swim.
Baby girl
Jump in, you know this ship don't sing.
And it goes It's the chocolate biscuit, getting into mischief, risk it, rubber or skin. I got a new hashtag, leave it in. And lately I've been thinking about twins. It's domestic, toxic, how we gonna fix it? This is sink or swim. 65 kg in the gym. Big chest and I'm on bigger things. You see the beard on my chinny chin chin.
Neighbours vexed cause the noise in the room.
And it goes
Deep waters if you really wanna swim.
Baby girl
Jump in, you know this ship don't sing.
And it goes
It's the skin fade lasting, baby, if you're asking. Big flows worth for the win. So back it up for a king. You know I'm slim but I really go in. Mr. Lover, big bench, baby, if you're fit then Mike can roll with the team. Don't be shy, eat up like a queen. I'm with you if you really wanna binge. And if I hit, I can really make it sing.
Neighbours vexed cause the noise in the room.
And it goes
Deep waters if you really wanna swim.
Baby girl
Jump in, you know this ship don't sing.
And it goes
He was on production for that. Throwback to last weekend where we had 10 minutes of his own productions on the intro mix. Because of this tune, because we loved the production so much. Oscar hashtag World Peace featuring Rags Original and Benji Flow. The track is called Right then, trying to vocalise how I feel in support of Black Lives Matter, but I feel that the music is doing much better doing the talking. This is brand new Keeds.
Stepped in the dance, G's tight with my heels on. Cocktails half price, so the deal's on. Only had 2, but I feel gone. Couple man tried church, but it's all long. It's all long, man, yeah, babes, forget that. Smile in my face, diss me and next chat. You're not real fam, yeah, man, I get that. Don't be surprised if you get jacked. I'm on that good girl I said I'm on a rage every time I spit. Every other weekend I might get lit. I'ma just take a couple strides and skip. I'm a bit psycho, so I might flip. Roll up the place and dip. I'ma just handle the bars with grip. I am the captain, sail on my ship. Yeah, I've been taking L's. Now I'm just here for the win. Bro still locked in a cell, but he takes it all on the chin. Now we're sitting down doing 4, cause he had something wrapped in cling. Now all the cell doors bang, and all of the weights in the gym. I've been on heat, I'm trying to get paid while I sleep underground, but I'm not 6 feet, beep, like who got the key to the G? Skill, like I'm trying to get all of the P. You know I'm street, get bread, man, I never been cheap. Getting to the top, man, it's ever so steep. Can't wait 4 years, man, I'm taking a leap. So I'm running now, cause they can't hear when I creep. Let's get back to the action, let's get cracking. Looking at me like what's happening? I'm going on a mad thing. Let's get back to the action. Let's get cracking. Looking at me like what's happening? I'm going on a mad thing. KWEDZ know the name. Do it for the funds, not fame. Tryna buy a big house, big car and chain. Then I might jump on a plane, but I love it, so I'm doing it again and again. A girl like me, you can't tame. Thought you could pipe, what a shame. You ain't even got no game. I heard you buck man on the landing. You weren't on it, that's my understanding. You talk about trap and the gang thing, but you still ain't got no grands in. Come do your worst, but I'm always out coming first. Your thing dead with a hearse. Henny in a cup and burst. So long it feels I've been grinding, but I know it's all about timing. All the bars I'm reciting, it's my thing, just know I'm not biting. All the stairs I've been climbing, I soon reach the top, is exciting. Always trying to do my thing, please don't come to me with no hyping. Up and leave, got pure things up my sleeve. It's so sick, might make you heave. Oh, so slick, just like my weave. Flow so mad till I can't breathe. Flow so mad till I get racks. Flow so mad till I get plaques. Till I pay half of my wage in tax. Let's get back to the action. Let's get cracking. Looking at me like what's happening? I'm going on a mad thing. Let's get back to the action. Let's get cracking. Looking at me like what's happening? I'm going on a mad thing. Let's get back.
South London rapper goes by the name of Keeds.
Looking at me like what's happening? I'm going on a mad thing.
We know her voice from a track Freezer.
Let's get cracking. Looking at me like what's happening? I'm going on a mad thing.
sounding so good. So much energy there. Keeds, Mad Ting on BBC Music, introducing in London. One more before we get into our interview with Lava LaRue. This one now from LZ featuring Jordan John Blur. It's called Brownies.
I got bad ones, brownies. See a snack of the ball like brownies. 247 be working. Baby wanna see me, allow me. Check out the kiss bouncy. I'm the man with a plan, don't doubt me. Bro, wanna that line. We set up in a different county.
I got sweet ones, lighties. She give good, that's slimy. And if I rate her highly, take her out, just her up in Nike. Big girl like blimey, cracky. Can you take? How many times they tried me? Will they get me, bro? It's unlikely. Let me show you the foundations. Took hella time, man's been patient. It's blatant that I get what I want. Like Liam Neeson in Taken. More time up in the studio cooking. Come like kitchen, need apron. I remember back when James was looking. Enzo hot sizzling bacon. Bro, per guy, interior design, he'll down no carpet. Hungry for the bread, man, starving. Hank Marvin, I need to get munching. I need to get eating, misleading. Out there, man, be speaking. No tweaking, my flow is too freezing. Catch that cold, I have to use sneezing. Catch that cold, no virus. Think I gave him jumpy flow itis. Now I'm thinking about it, I might just let them clock. I'll do it in silence. Tryna go up, do mileage. Tryna go place to place like
I got bad ones, brownies. See a snack of the ball like brownies. 247 be working. Baby wanna see me, allow me. Check out the kiss bouncy. I'm the man with a plan, don't doubt me. Bro, wanna that line. We set up in a different county.
I got sweet ones, lighties. She give good, that's slimy. And if I rate her highly, take her out, just her up in Nike. Big girl like blimey, cracky. Can you take the? How many times they tried me? Will they get me, bro? It's unlikely.
Sat in the tea with 6 for 50, link that go. They know the pattern when iPhone. They ain't got our Siri. Set up shop on them block. Same way Kane did it in Chile. More time when they ask for they get a full ham like Timmy. No lepers get rimsy. Dan said if he got monkeys, he go by 6 or 7 dimsy. Give me that. They don't want, but ooh, I do them man come so picky. I thought I found love, I was wrong. Back then I never met Lizzie. Check up the switch up quickly. Couple man switch up quickly. Sticky, head back itchy. When this thing don't produce a beat like itchy. No verbal get Billy using me. And now I'm a top boy. I gotta move smart like Ricky. I got bad ones, brownies. See a snack of the ball like brownies. 247 be working. Baby wanna see me, allow me. Check out the kiss bouncy. I'm the man with a plan, don't doubt me. Bro, wanna that line. We set up in a different county.
I got sweet ones, lighties. She give that's slimy. And if I rate her highly, take her out, just her up in Nike. Big girl like blimey, cracky. Can you take? How many times they tried me? Will they get me, bro? It's unlikely. I got pretty little things all over the place. Man, face. I know about the beat like I know about the bass. Know about the P like I know about the pay. Know about the G's, do it on the D-low. We know they don't even know about the way. Know about the speed like I know about the pace. Holding the bag, ain't holding the chase.
Ones, brownies, see a snack of the ball like brownies. 247 be working. Baby wanna see me, allow me. Check out the kiss bouncy. I'm the man with a plan, don't doubt me. Bro, wanna that line. We set up in a different county.
I got sweet ones, lighties. She give good, that's slimy. And if I rate her highly, take her out, just her up in Nike. Big like blimey, cracky. Can you take tea? How many times they tried me? Will they get me, bro? It's unlikely.
So here on BBC Music, introducing in London, we support all types of music regardless of race, gender, sexuality and background. And tonight we are amplifying the black voices which aren't heard enough in support of Black Lives Matter. I'm very pleased to welcome our next guest, who I know has been very vocal about the movement, and quite rightly so. Lava LaRue, thank you so much for joining me.
Woo, thank you for having me.
Yeah, firstly, how are you?
Yeah, it's a very strange time. It's funny because I've been having like a lot of my mates check in on me, and I'm like both excited and anxious, I suppose.
Yeah, I kind of get that. I've been thinking, like, who do I need to sort of call about this? But I feel like people are kind of reflecting how they're taking it. So there's a lot of my friends who have been vocal and have been getting out there and protesting themselves, and I kind of have a conversation with them. Yeah, sort of conflicting advice with that, but I think it's better to do than to do nothing, which has almost been the slogan for how everything has gone.
Definitely.
I kind of want to talk to you about your background. I think my favourite part of your bio is talking about your parents, and it's saying how they met, and it was my parents met at Ministry of Sound back in 1997. And it's so relevant because of how music brings people together, and that's like throwback to the 90s as well. And whereabouts are your parents from?
So my dad was born in Latvia, and he came and migrated to London literally when he was like 18 or 19, and shortly met my mum in the Ministry of Sound. My mum's Black British, she's Jamaican. But yeah, it was funny. He was working there as a busboy, and my mum was just like a little raver. And yeah, they kind of just linked up. It's funny.
And growing up, does your mum have like strong musical taste? Was it her who kind of introduced you to the world of music?
It was both of them, and the culture I was kind of like surrounded by. I think growing up specifically in Western Northwest London, you have like huge Caribbean communities around you, and I was raised by Jamaicans. But also on my dad's side, he's also like an old school raver, so just being around people who live in like communal housings and throw like squat parties together, and that whole like free party way of thinking was such a important part of, I would say, the UK's history, specifically like throughout the 90s and the early 2000s. So that like was definitely what raised me.
Of course, and I feel like you can definitely hear that those are their roots kind of feeding into yours because of the 9/8 Collective, which is that run by you?
I founded it. It was kind of my idea. I guess when I turned 16, I realized the different like opportunities available just based on like class and race that you have, especially when you get into music. And you know, I didn't really go to like an amazing music school or a private school, but I wanted to create my own network around me of just people who could like creatively swap ideas. You make cover art for me, I'll produce this song for you, that kind of vibe.
And that kind of fast forwards to today, I feel, with how vocal you have been during the Black Lives Matter protests. What has it been like for you over the past week or so?
It's been strange. I feel like there's definitely a feeling in the air where something's different this time. And I think because it is a new decade, it's like the 20s now. Throughout the whole 2010s, there was a feeling of hopelessness where something would happen, would see something really messed up, maybe on like Instagram or Twitter, it would turn into a hashtag, and then eventually people would forget about it. And I could just be like a younger generation of people kind of getting sick with that. So like, I feel like this year, you know, everything that's happened, specifically what happened with George Floyd, felt like the tip of the iceberg. So my whole feelings, it's almost like the anxious feelings of change. You know, when there's going to be a drastic change happening, you almost get those weird butterflies in your belly and you can't tell if it's good or bad, but you just know it needs to happen. That's kind of the feeling right now.
Yeah, there is a completely different energy surrounding it. And I just think you've really hit the nail on the head with that sort of kind of butterflies feeling where you're nervous, kind of excited, but hopefully it is the vehicle for change. Exactly. If anyone's listening and they're kind of feeling, I don't know, maybe that wave hasn't hit them yet, how can they help and how can they get involved?
I think there's loads of different ways to get involved and show your solidarity and just like platform the right voices. And I think the first step is kind of really looking within. Like the way our system works, there's a lot of things that you learn that you don't even realize that can like silence other voices. I think specifically just living in like a capitalist society, you really can think on a one-track way. So it's like thinking about unity, thinking about community and prioritizing that. And yeah, there's just so many ways to do that. Like not everybody can show out and go to the protests. Obviously, if like people are vulnerable or have vulnerable people at home in terms of COVID, there's ways where you can like donate, like make signs and drop them off to your friends or put up signs in your window, just show that you're part of this, you're active and you're also ready for change. And when things start happening, that you're going to be there. Do you know what I mean?
Do you think there's something specifically that musicians, like something musically that might come out of this?
Yeah, definitely. I think every political movement has almost had a soundtrack to it, whether it was like Bob Marley or Gil Scott or Bob Dylan or, you know, John Lennon or whoever you want to believe, you know, there was always sort of like a soundtrack to each political movement, even like the punk movement and anarchy and, you know, the Sex Pistols and all of that. And, you know, I think in terms of the 20s of the new generation, you know, there's a lot of stuff that I do with 98 Collective and like as Lava LaRue, and I'm like, yeah, this is what I want to be, is like the sound of the political movement of the 20s, basically.
Does that mean that you're working on some new music now?
I am working on some new music, and it is very much sort of my perspective of the world around me, for sure. What it is to be queer, what it is to be black, what it is to be a woman living in West London.
I think that previously people didn't speak out because they were worried about saying the wrong thing. Do you ever... Yeah. I feel like you've got such a strong head on your shoulders. It almost seems like you don't waver with that sort of thing. Do you ever encounter those not problems, but like ways of wording things in your music?
Not really, but I think I have the surety that I'm someone where I'm always willing to learn. When people, you know, feed me back information, I'm always willing to take it on. But also I haven't not to blow my own horn, but when you have a sense of like authenticity to what you're saying, like I really mean it, it really is my everyday experience. So when you come from that aspect, you might not get everything right, but if you know your heart's in a pure place and you're willing to learn, like I think that fear doesn't need to happen. I think a lot of people are afraid, especially because, you know, cancel culture is such a huge thing, and it definitely has its pros and it's been really important, but I think a lot of people are just afraid to talk out because they don't want to get it wrong. They don't want it to affect maybe their music or the way that they're seen in the industry, when actually that's part of the problem. You've just got to know you're coming from a good place and just be able to listen to people, you know. And I think that's what's really important. When it's a problem is when people might speak out and maybe say something wrong, but they're still defending themselves, and they're maybe sort of like arguing against the very people who are being oppressed, you know what I mean? So I think when you come from an authentic place and it really is your experience, you don't have to have that fear of saying something wrong. You just need to be able to learn and progress.
I think it's people like you, because I'm so in danger myself right now, and I'm sure people listening, you're so mature in the way that you think and you speak. I think, what year are you born in? Am I allowed to ask you that?
Yeah, well, if my parents met in 1997, I was born very shortly after they first met that very night. Almost kind of product of a one night stand vibe. So I was born in 98. So I'm 22.
Yeah, you're definitely from the generation of the 2000s, and it's I think people just need to know that it's this new generation that are coming through, and hopefully your guys' voices will be heard amongst all of this. How are you spending this weekend?
Well, I'm trying to go out to protest, make protest cards, and just, you know, speak to my friends, create ideas, just think about how we can make what's going on in the political climate something that can be a lot more sustainable. I think what the conversation is right now between me and my mates is, what is the next move? What's going to happen after these protests? What is the manifesto we want? Whether it's a community-led national service where they can take part of where people aren't happy with the police, whether it's invested in education, whether it's making people focus more on getting kids out of the hood than putting them in prisons. Right now, I'm just trying to have the conversation with my friends of what do we actually want for this new decade for us as we're going into adulthood into this decade. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, it's like you said at the beginning, it's an exciting moment for change. Obviously, it's come out of tragedy, but I feel like a lot of the time that is what has to happen to highlight a much larger problem.
Definitely.
Lava, thank you so much for joining us. We're going to play your track that is with another black artist who we have celebrated on our show a lot, with Parallel. Can you tell me a little bit about this track?
I absolutely love this song. The whole idea about it's called 99, and it's about the 99% and the 1% who run the world. So I kind of had the idea of making a song that had extremely political lyrics but over a happy anthem, because I think people always believe as artists you've either got to be sad and political and serious, or you make ignorant turn up music. And my idea was to make music that you absolutely want to party to, but it has a political meaning, like the Grace Jones and like the Princes. And so if you listen close to the lyrics, it says 99, stay awake, the 1% are going to try and take.
Lava LaRue, thank you so much for joining me on the show today. I wish you all the best.
Thank you very much. Thanks for having me.
99, stay away. 1% gon' try to take. Lock the town, go hold it down. Where I reside is my highest state. I told myself to practice the words that I say. Is this kind of self-love you can't teach? I stay away. Is that type of help they won't preach? I stay away. Is this kind of self-love you can't teach? I stay away. Is that type of help they won't preach? I stay away.
Maybe studying the words that I speak, covering my eyes when they copy and repeat, but they can never emulate. Look all other steez. I'm a London B, drip drip ice cream on a 99p, but I would never play on the team. Yeah, I can never play on the team. Look all other taste sweet. Shawty want a taste of me. Everybody want a piece of salt pea. Maybe studying the words that I speak, covering my eyes when they copy and repeat, but they can never emulate. Look all other steez. I'm a London B, drip drip ice cream on a 99p, but I would never play on the team. Yeah, I can never play on the team. Look all other taste sweet. Shawty want a taste of me. Everybody want a piece of salt pea.
Is this kind of self-love you can't teach? Is that type of help they won't preach? Is this kind of self-love you can't teach? Is that type of help they won't preach? Is this kind of self-love you can't teach? Is that type of help they won't preach?
Thank you very much to Lava LaRue, enlightening us with such maturity, really knowing what she's saying. Lava LaRue at all of the protests this week, an artist that we know and love, founded the 9-8 Collective, and making music like that alongside Parallel, another black artist that we are championing on this show. Now, we don't usually get this serious on the show, and I'll be honest, I think that was probably the most serious chat I've had. We normally like to transport ourselves with the music, but of course at the moment it is serious times. It's a big, not just a moment, but a movement for change, for the better, for good, hopefully, and probably one of the biggest civil rights movements in history. So we are pleased to be a part of this positive change. Music now from a 19-year-old rapper from South London that goes by the name of Scutty.
Check the price, we don't do that anymore. Up my price, can't perform there anymore. Check the ice, I just flooded my hojo. Keep talking, I'll get high and send someone to your door. I need a spaceship, automatic. She wanna date me, I told her up the stage, you won't see me no more. I just shot Jay, I need them diamonds on me. Up the price, we don't do that anymore. Up my price, can't perform there anymore. Check the ice, I just flooded my whole job. Keep talking, I'll get high and send someone to your door. They want me down, but I'm up either way. I might just flash just to ruin your day. Say what you want, you ain't stopping my pay. No, I can't change, I'm just stuck in my ways. Now we get lit cause I f*** up the stage. I got her done and she soft but she ain't. No, I ain't making no dinner at 8. Get rid of my dinner, need racks in my plate. I need them racks, truckloads. Stick to the facts, no cap. I heard you talk, get rid off. I had to find my way, things you won't hear or think of. I wish I could fly, yeah. I need to link with Tinker. Check the price, we don't do that anymore. Up my price, can't perform there anymore. Check the ice, I just flooded my whole job. Keep talking, I'll get high and send someone to your door. I need the spaceship, automatic. She wanna date me, I told her. Up the stage, you won't see me no more. I just shot Jay, I need them diamonds on me. Up the price, we don't do that anymore. Up my price, can't perform there anymore. Check the ice, I just flooded my whole job. Keep talking, I'll get high and send someone to your door. Check the price, we don't do that anymore. Up my price, can't perform there anymore. Check the ice, I just flooded my whole job. Keep talking, I'll get high and send someone to your door.
There's a real laid-back sort of confidence to her tone. She goes by the name of Scutty, S-C-U-T-I, 19-year-old rapper from South London, definitely grabbing the attention of the underground UK scene, and we have so much to thank the black community for in terms of music. I hope you're hearing it on this show. Surya Sen, an artist that we have celebrated very recently, a tune that I feel is very uplifting. I love this. The track is called See You Later, the artist Surya Sen.
Slipping in the way, I keep on jumping out the way. Fucking with my bae, I tell collect to stay away. Focus in my face, I keep the 100 while I stray. I'll cop a burner while I wait. Cause the female are prey like a body to them vultures. We pray like we're supposed to, but really, really in my city, ain't nobody know ya. Ain't nobody owe ya. Forget they ever told ya. Better move cautious or just pause it. That's alright, I'm saying. Don't catch me, baby. Yo, I guess I'll see you later. Guess I'll see you later. I don't do no favors. I guess I'll see you later. I guess I'll see you later. Guess I'll see you later. I am not your savior. I guess I'll see you. Yo, I guess I see you. Been quiet, I've been active. Little wood, but it's been passive. Got the keys like it's in massive. I don't catch up with them, it was in passing. Cause I'm running my lane, running my lane. Up late nights trying to catch a break. Cut straight like I ain't gotta play. All I really know is I ain't trying to wear a. But yo, man, I ain't see you in time. Last time we had a real good time. Now I see you stood at the front of the line. With some guy trying to cat our vibe. But a man like we ain't no better. Ain't no gas, man, that's just fair love. While with me, won't be set up. Can't catch me, so I tell her. Yo, I guess I'll see you later. Guess I'll see you later. I don't do no favors. I guess I'll see you later. I guess I'll see you later. Guess I'll see you later. I am not your savior. I guess I'll see you. Yo, I guess I'll see you.
Serious vibe on that one. Surya Sen, the track is called See You Later, and what a debut it is. He has, in fact, sent me some follow-up music. We are looking forward to being able to present it properly, you know. Let's get into this next one now. Delapo is someone we're also very, very excited about. At BBC Intro London, of course, is where to find us on Twitter and Instagram. If you do want to get in touch, follow what we're up to. This is It's Alright.
Why that look on your face? It's been like that for days. Say you're searching for ways to tell your girl you in need of space. You down and fighting with your thing on her. Pack your bag to leave in the morning on her. Swear you ain't had no one like me on her. To make you wanna scream, oh my God. It's alright. You ain't never had someone to change your life. Make you wanna upgrade, put that behind. Make you act right, you don't gotta think twice. It's alright, it's alright, it's alright. You ain't never had someone to change your life. Make you wanna upgrade behind. Make you
lots of support over in the One Extra realm. National radio. Dedicated to supporting black music as well. Delapo, the track is called It's Alright, already been played by DJ Target. She has worked with some of the most exciting artists in the scene right about now. Mo Stack, Tion Wayne, Young T and Bugsy, just to name a few. She goes by the name of Delapo. An artist of Rago Zulu Rebels, Rago Zulu Nation label, indie label. This is Black Caesar. The track is called Man Down.
I grew up around all that madness, sadness. All I saw was that badness. Addicts huddled, slumped on that mattress. One dark jolt, my guy, this ain't slapstick. Young Somali doing run-ins like Pharaoh. Body somebody shades to the summer. Me from bad, it's just Mazar. That's why I get pissed when I see them actors. And the gov only taking half of the factors, man. They don't know we're playing snakes and ladders. And your friends are the snakes, they get gas when they see that you're doing your worst. But for me, when worst comes to worst, my people come first. Black gang with an X, we put in man down, man down. I never see you smile, just frown. But if I smile, I'm head in tears of a clown. Never safe and sound. Have you ever heard that whistle when man is licking around? Body hitting the ground. No medics inside, just a massive crowd. Look, man down, man down. I never see you smile, just frown. But if I smile, I'm head in tears of a clown. Never safe and sound. Have you ever heard that whistle when man is licking around? Body hitting the ground. No medics inside, just a massive crowd. Look, man down, man down. I had to let go of that ego. Take time, relax and just reload. Pull back the thing and just shoot for man. Cause I'm coming straight up from zero. Zero fucks a gift for most man. Cause I grew up having no heroes. I got A1 shooters like 6. Only got love for my brothers, that's it. Inshallah I'll make it, I ain't Muslim but God is the greatest. I made mistakes and I faced it, eradicate the fear. I'm finna ace this. I'm the one there's no replacing. I'll be chasing this thing, I'll be copping this win. See me skirt off with a massive grin. Man down, man down. I never see you smile, just frown. But if I smile, I'm head in tears of a clown. Never safe and sound. Have you ever heard that whistle when man is licking around? Body hitting the ground. No medics inside, just a massive crowd. Look, man down, man down. I never see you smile, just frown. But if I smile, I'm head in tears of a clown. Never safe and sound. Have you ever heard that whistle when man is licking around? Body hitting the ground. No medics inside, just a massive crowd. Look, man down, man down.
Tonight's show, a celebration of black excellence. That there is from an artist called Black Caesar, spelt BLXCK, and then Caesar, all one word. An established music producer who has been making urban music professionally since 2014, constantly expanding his network and his repertoire, and now working with our featured artist of the show this week, Rago Zulu Rebel, releasing music on their indie label.
BBC Radio London. You followed the rules, stayed in, queued, avoided, and 2 meters is now your middle name. So now what?
Good morning, everybody.
Calling all those who have found some inspiration in this strange new world by showing off. Lockdown Upload is your opportunity to show London your lockdown creativity via the BBC. That comedy sketch, podcast, poem, box set review, play, vlog, blog, from debutantes to those who have had gigs cancelled, let's see or hear it. Upload it now at bbc.co.uk/upload. You may find it used by the British Library, who are creating an archive right now for future generations to see and learn from. So don't let them down. Lockdown Upload, your creativity showcased on the BBC. BBC Radio London.
That's right, I'm on the floor trying to fight for my life. It's that same old story. Got stabbed a few times with a knife, and I don't think that I'm gonna make it. I feel cold inside. I'll be dead in about 3 minutes if they don't stop the bleeding in time. Another brother dead, it's dumb. My time is up in this world, I'm leaving. So can somebody phone my mum and tell her that I won't be home this evening? The man them look sad, they felt the pain when I said this rhyme. Before I go, can you tell my dad, I'm sorry that we never made up in time.
So what would you do? So what would you do if you had 3 minutes to live? Because we as people, we take life for granted, and I can't believe that.
Look,
Yeah, that's me. Lying on the floor, I think I blacked out. I couldn't even breathe, but I never tapped out. Cause mommy never raised a brother to back down, so I keep on fighting. Just to stay alive, I'm back now. Paramedics said something about an artery. And can everybody move to the background? Somebody please help me. I can't feel my legs anymore. Thinking I could have gone anywhere I want in life. Why the f did I choose this door? And to that kid Duke that stabbed me, brother, what the f did you kill me for? Got so many young kids that are dying nowadays. What the f did you kill one more? Blackout. I was never on time, I was gonna improve, but I can't be late no more. And the saying goes, I've never felt so alive, yet I can't relate no more. Like who's the best baller alive, fam? I can't debate no more. When I got stabbed by a freeze, man, got messy, I can't explain no more. See, I could've had children. A little beautiful brown-eyed daughter. If she couldn't skate, daddy would've taught her. And how to swim, not be scared of the water. And even though you won't be born, and cause of these stab wounds, I can't hug you. This is a note to what could have been my children. Just know daddy would've loved you. Yeah, daddy would've been there to guide you in life, to not make mistakes like he. And yeah, daddy would've been there to kiss it all better when you scraped your very first knee. But now, your daddy won't be with you. And you won't even exist. All cause this youth was intent on taking my life. You're taking a... No, I ain't going out like this. That I claw my way from the dark and come back. I ain't gonna leave nobody with no contact. For them to be sitting by the grave with cognac. Somebody better try contact the Lord for my soul and tell him I want that. I don't care what a brother's gotta do to survive. Just tell the brother that a man's on that. If I gotta keep fighting, then I'm on that. I'll change my life for the better. I'll stop walking with a complex. Lord knows I won't chase vendettas. And I'll tell my mother that I love her every single damn day on the phone. So please can you grant my wish? All I really want is just to go home. That's the sound of a heartbeat fading. Telling myself, no, don't go sleep. For the last time, I'm not ready to leave. What's that daylight that a brother can see? If I just believe, nobody grieves. Hold up, let me just try and breathe.
Well, I mean, that hit home when it dropped last year, July 2019, and he was across the whole of the news networks speaking out against knife crime and how each and every single person or black individual or young person in the capital was kind of just getting put into this group. And now these words ever present. Yizzy, that there is 3 minutes to live on BBC Music, introducing in London. Of course, you can catch up on anything that you've missed on BBC Sound, search Introducing London, and underneath the show we have the full track list to each and every single one of our shows, so you can find all of the artists there, all of the music. And also, over on BBC Sounds, you can find the Hot List, which celebrates music from all over the country. The Introducing Hot List is curated by Jaguar, and this time, Jaguar and Angel came together to curate a whole list spotlighting the mind-blowing talent from black artists coming through the Uploader from the whole of the UK. Tonight's show here, though, we are supporting new musicians from London and spotlighting black voices as well as producers. This is from a young Mel Brown. The track is called Terminus on BBC Music, introducing in London. Mel Brown, young producer who we know and love on the show, and that there is out on Future Bounce, run by Jam Supernova, our good friend and broadcaster over on BBC Radio 1 Extra, supporting the alternative corner of R&B sounds, future sounds, on a Tuesday evening. Mel Brown basically voicing how she felt about working with another black woman in releasing her music and how happy she was about that. And of course Jam Supernova also acknowledging that while she does have diversity on there, perhaps she could do more. And if you think that you can do more as well, now is the time to not be afraid to call it out, no matter where you're from. So Pote is another producer that we know and love, and this is it's called Your Love.
Oh, now I heard you're fine, but the pain won't go to rest. The pain won't go to rest. I'll admit it plays on mine. Give it time, you'll accept that your heart's as cold as mine. Forever love, it's our forever love. Forever love, it's our forever love. Ooh. I heard it comes once in a lifetime, so keep chasing. So many maybes I can't make up my mind. Oh, it's wasted, like all the things we had to put inside to keep chasing. Oh, it's wasted, wasted. Maybe your heart's as cold as mine. Forever love, it's our forever love. Forever love, it's our forever love. Forever love, it's our forever love. Forever love,
Pote taking us through with a much more melancholic take, laid-back version of his usual rave sound. So this is the electronic corner of the show. Can I even speak? Electronic corner of the show, where we enjoy the beats, the producers, uploading. bbc.co.uk/introducing is where to go to get your music to us. We support the best new music from the capital. If you're not from London, there is a show for you. Continue to the website and you get it to us there. The team from your local show will listen to it, and if they like it, could get spun on the show. A couple more before the end this week. Tisha, who we know and love, did a little session with us on our Instagram Live as well, went down an absolute treat. This is Me You on BBC Music, introducing in London. T-shirt taking us on a right journey. Definitely emerging as one of the most exciting producers, young producers coming through the capital of the moment. Signed to Ninja Tune. The track is called Me You. And you're listening to Jess Izzat on BBC Music, introducing London. We do this each and every single week, Saturdays, 8 till 10 p.m, bringing you the best new music from the capital. Of course, if you missed anything, you can catch up on BBC Sounds. Search Introducing in London. If you hit the subscribe button, you will never miss a thing. And I must mention, if you have enjoyed the music on the show this evening and you have not done something to speak out, perhaps to friends, to family, online, protested in person, of course safely, social distancing, you need to ask yourself why, because each and every single one of these artists on the show today are black and are sounding just incredible. We get so much of this music sent to us each and every single week, and we appreciate the culture, we appreciate the beats, the flow. Now is the time to speak out, and we have dedicated this show to the black artists who need more of a platform. Seeing us out this evening for Sonny and Shay at Takeover on BBC Radio London. This is Papello. He has jumped on the intro mix for us previously. The track is called Foreigner. I'll see you next week.